Facts with Marbles.
Dance.
Science Facts with Marbles. Hey, hey!
Ooh, I just got some new science facts. Let me tell ya.
Why don't you talk about solar flares?
I don't know anything about solar flares.
Echo, tell me some things about solar flares.
A solar flare is an intense localized eruption of electromagnetic radiation in the sun's atmosphere. Flares occur in active regions and are often, but not always, accompanied by coronal mass ejections, solar particle events, and other solar phenomena. The occurrence of solar flares varies with the 11-year solar cycle. Solar flares are thought to occur when stored magnetic energy in the sun's atmosphere accelerates charged particles in the surrounding plasma. This results in the emission of electromagnetic radiation across the electromagnetic spectrum.
So yeah, that's what I know about solar flares. I'm glad you asked. Thanks for watching, kids. Remember to always look for the science around you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week with more science facts.